Welcome to the Yamaha Garage. Thanks for joining us for useful service information and technical tips for enjoying and maintaining your Yamaha. Today we'll be demonstrating how to properly install the Yamaha Genuine Wolverine 3D formed full polycarbonate windshield for 2021 and newer Yamaha Wolverine models. Like all Yamaha Genuine accessories, this windshield is designed by Yamaha engineers specifically for your Yamaha to provide a superior level of performance, quality, reliability, and fit. This full optical grade polycarbonate windshield is an outstanding accessory addition to your Wolverine with a hard coating on both sides, making it extremely durable, scratch and shatter resistant, along with providing a full layer of protection against the elements. Plus, its 3D formed shape provides smoother airflow and improved styling along with a silk screened Yamaha branded border for a premium factory look. It's also super easy to mount and remove with the provided quick release clamps. You can find it along with other superior Yamaha Genuine accessories at your local Yamaha dealership or shop online at www.yamaha-motor.com. So let's get started by prepping your Wolverine, your workspace, and ensuring you have all needed tools and hardware. We want the vehicle to be clean and parked on a secure, level surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. You also want to make sure the work area has a scratch-free level surface for placing and assembling your windshield. We like to use a moving blanket or a towel on a flat surface to lay out the parts and tools. You will need the following tools: a torque wrench capable of measuring less than 5 pound-feet. A small pound-inch wrench is the best option. A 6mm hex head bit or Allen key, a drill and 4mm drill bit, and some alcohol wipes can be handy to clean surfaces prior to installation. Finally, here's a list of all the hardware provided in the kit. Expect the installation time to be approximately 45 minutes with a Yamaha difficulty rating of 2 wrenches or moderate difficulty. Before starting install, a quick tech tip. We like to leave all our fasteners loose until making the final adjustments to the windshield to avoid repeated tightening and loosening when positioning the shield. Then we can torque everything correctly at the end of the install. Now let's begin. Install the left hand cover onto the ROPS, or rollover protection structure, snugly against the sun top as shown. Then using our drill, we want to carefully drill a 4mm hole into the sun top and secure the cover with one of the provided Christmas tree push rivets. Next, we want to repeat the same process for the right-hand cover, including drilling and securing with the other push rivet. Now locate our hooks and install each to the ROPS as shown using the M8 flanged hex thread forming bolts. Just hand tighten for now, ensuring the thread forming bolts go in straight to properly formed threads. Repeat this for both left and right side hooks. Now it's time to attach our 4 latch assemblies to the windshield using the supplied M6x14 button head bolts and M6 washers. Again, let's just hand tighten for now so we can make final adjustments to the windshield before torquing everything down. Also, ensure that the thumb latches are orientated toward the occupant as shown. Excellent work, we're almost done. Next up, it's time to center our windshield on the vehicle. An extra set of hands can be helpful at this point. Place the windshield carefully and latch all 4 corners. Once we're satisfied with placement, now we can go back and tighten down the hardware to the proper specification. Let's finish securing the M8 flanged hex thread forming bolts by torquing them to 5.9 foot-pounds or 70.8 inch-pounds. Again, making certain they are threaded straight and not at an angle. Then we want to secure your latch assemblies to the windshield, setting torque to 3.6 foot-pounds or 43.2 inch-pounds. Make sure you're extra careful not to over-torque these bolts as you can damage your windshield. And that's it. Outstanding work. You've successfully installed your new Yamaha Genuine windshield and now you're ready to hit the trail. Remember, a Yamaha Technical Academy Gold Tech always cleans their tools and puts them back in order after every job. And a couple final notes on caring for your new windshield. Do not drive with impaired vision due to a dirty windshield. Be sure to follow the cleaning and care instructions provided on the windshield label and avoid harsh polishing products when cleaning or exposure to any harsh chemicals or solvents that can cause damage. Clean only with mild detergent and water or a specialized cleaner that is proven safe for coated polycarbonate surfaces. To avoid damage when towing, always ensure the windshield is in the closed and locked position on the ROPS and always tow the vehicle facing in the forward direction. Also remember to periodically check the torque on all hardware and retighten to the proper torque spec when needed. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the Yamaha YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos and technical tips. Now let's get out and ride.